Hi guys and welcome to Mbali Talks, where we talk all things side hustles, how to make money online, and just generally how you can gain financial freedom for yourself. In today's video, I actually want to share with you some amazing easy to start small business ideas that anyone can do. Whether you're looking to make passive income online, or you're looking for a way to monetize your skills, and or you're actually looking for something that you can turn into more of a full-time job for yourself without necessarily working for the man, then you have landed on the right video. Before we start, please do reward me for this video by just hitting the like button so that it can do well on YouTube's algorithm. And if you haven't already, then please do join our community by just hitting that subscribe button. Without wasting any more of your time, let's get right into it. So the first is to start small business idea that anyone can do from anywhere in the world is blogging. I know sometimes when you think of blogging, you think, oh my goodness, maybe the industry is saturated. Trust me, the internet is never saturated when it comes to information. Also, you could be somebody who's blogging about a topic that, even though it's commonly known, you are blogging about it from a different angle that maybe other people have not necessarily looked at. What I like about blogging is the fact that you can actually have different ways for you to be able to monetize your blog. You can either do advertisements, you can do affiliate marketing, you can even sell merchandise, which is in relation to the blog and or the content that you actually have on your blog. Start out bloggers make anything between 500 to 2000 USD per month, and it can grow all the way to you being able to make 5,000 to 10,000 USD a month as a big blogger. If you're wondering what you can actually blog about, you don't even need to look very far. You can just look at the skills and or qualifications that you actually already have. Some of the most profitable blogging niches include finance, education, technology, healthy living, gaming, parenting, food, and recipes, as well as fashion. So you can look into those as a way for you to be able to start an easy business that does not require any capital, is small enough for you to run if you have a 9 to 5, and also is amazing enough for it to actually turn into a full-time job. The next is to start small business idea that anybody can do is something that I always talk about in videos when we talk about the kind of jobs that you can do right now that are actually trending. This is for you to provide social media management services to small and medium companies. A lot of small and medium companies are not yet really sure how social media can actually benefit their businesses. They are also not sure about how they can position themselves more better on social media platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, etc. in order for them to continue to grow the monetization of their products. That's basically where you come in by providing those social media management services. An entry-level social media manager makes anything between 16.5K all the way to 20K per month. And obviously that money grows as you continue to obviously also grow your skill. What I also like about social media management is the fact that you do not have to have a formal qualification. All you need is for you to just go online on the different platforms that I sometimes talk about for you to get a certification that relates to social media management, social media marketing, digital marketing, etc. But it's just one of those businesses and or careers that are easy to start, do not require any capital, and can basically be done by anyone from anywhere in the world. The next is a business that you can start that is good enough for anybody, is a business that you can start if one, you're actually trying to create a second income stream for yourself, or two, you're trying to find another way for you to be able to monetize your skills. This is for you to start a tutoring business online. You can either decide to set up your own website and provide your own classes, whether it's classes that relate to subjects such as the ones that are actually in school, like high school or primary, or it's actually subjects and or consultations of services and skills that you already have. The nice thing about being an online tutor is the fact that you basically get to write your own check, which means the more hours that you put into your tutoring work, the more hours that you can make for yourself. Whether you're an online tutor that has their own website and has set up their own programs, or you're an online tutor that decides to actually join other programs that either teach English or math or science online, you can easily make up to 1,000 USD per week just from tutoring, based on the number of hours again that you're actually willing to put into your business. But I just feel like it's one of those easiest way for you to either monetize skills that you already have and or for you to actually create a second passive income stream for yourself to make that extra money. The next is to start small business idea that anybody can do that does not require you to have any capital for you to start it, is something that is quite awkward, and I'm not even sure if you've ever really heard of it. This is for you to become a sleep therapist for babies. If somebody feels like, you know what, you have a handle on that, maybe you're a seasoned mom, now you're willing to help other mothers, then this is one of the best businesses that you can actually start on a side business. In addition, when I was doing the research for this video, I discovered that there's actually an International Institute of Infant Sleeping where you can actually go in order for you to be able to get a proper formal qualification for yourself as an infant sleep therapist. They say here the International Institute of Infant Sleep is a leading institute offering the most comprehensive distance learning education, which means you can take this course online. For pediatric sleep consultants, they make their duty to provide an affordable and top-of-the-line education. So if you're looking for a meaningful, well-paid, and rewarding career, the Pediatric Sleep Consulting Program at their institute could be the right choice for you. So you can go into the description box to check out the link to the Sleep Institute if this is the business that you're actually interested in. But I just feel like it's one of those easiest businesses for you to be able to start that does not require you to have any capital, and also is amazing because you can do it virtually from anywhere in the world. So it's not country and or region specific. The next small business that you can start from anywhere in the world that does not require you to have any capital is something that may require you to have just a bit of skill. But what I like about the skill is the fact that it doesn't need to be a formal one. You could literally just take a 4-week course online on some of the platforms that I sometimes suggest in order for you to get a certificate and an understanding of how you can actually start. This is for you to provide website design and development services. So based on my research for this video, the average salary for an entry-level position as a web design and developer is 180,000 Rand. And it can go all the way to 240,000 Rand or all the way to 480,000 Rand for a more seasoned website developer. And I know that you may be thinking, oh my goodness, people have been doing websites for the longest time. But remember, guys, with the movement of technology into social media and into digital marketing, a lot of companies that previously did not take their websites seriously are actually starting to do so. So currently, right now, being a website developer and or designer is something that is actually very much in demand. And I just feel like it's an easy business to start that you can do sitting from anywhere in the world in order for you to be able to either create a second income stream for yourself if you're somebody who's already in the IT industry, or to find yourself a career if you're somebody who's struggling to find maybe a job in the career and in the industry that you had actually studied for. With all that said, I've actually come to the end of this video. I do hope that you found it valuable. If that's the case, then please do hit the like button and reward me for the work that has gone into the video. And if you haven't already, please just hit that subscribe button so that you can join the Bali Talks community and never miss out on any of the content that happens here on Bali Talks. Otherwise, I wish you guys all the best in either starting a small business and or finding remote work job opportunities online. I will see you in the next Bali Talks video. Cheers.